Is this a breakout or is this a fake out? Today we had a nice upwards move in the Bitcoin price chart, and we will discuss this in this video. So make sure to stay until the end. If you're new to my channel, this is Join and Coin, bringing you daily crypto news and analysis. So let's jump straight in the 1 hour price chart. You can see we had here this downwards trend line and resistance. We broke it, and now we are successfully out of this trend line, but we are not out of the woods yet, because we have a lot of resistance here, still in the $31,000 to $32,000 area. So it's not the time to get too excited yet. So let's jump to the 4 hour price chart. And now we found support on the EMA 100. This is very good to see, but we are quite oversold now in the RSI. So we will take a look here in the coming days how we will react here. It's hard to say at the moment, because yeah, it's exciting. We got this breakout, but it's too early to say if this is confirmed. So we definitely need a confirmation of this breakout. And so let's jump to the daily price chart. On the daily, yeah, look at this here, exactly at this candle, where we got all these daily closes on this daily candle. So it's too early to say. Of course, we broke this downwards trend line, but you can also say we here in this channel, and to get more confident, we have to have a confirmation of this breakout. On the RSI, we're talking a lot here on this channel of this trend line. We found here resistance. We will keep a close eye here what happens in the next days, because do we get here a rejection, or maybe can we break through? Of course, this would be very bullish, because this trend line started in May of 21, and will it act now as resistance, or can we smash through it? We have to take a close look at this trend line in the coming days. So let's jump right to the S&P 500. Yeah, the S&P 500 here, we got a nice push to the upside in the last days, and we have to keep an eye here on the S&P and the end on the NASDAQ, how they will react, because it is still possible that here on the S&P 500 we will come down here, test these lows, and maybe then have a push to the upside, making a higher low, inverse head and shoulders, and bullish diversions on the RSI and MACD. Of course, this would be bullish, so we have to wait for the Fed meeting, for the upcoming Fed meeting, and have a close look here on the S&P 500. Also on the NASDAQ, we have seen here nice upwards moves beginning in the end of last week. But yeah, it is at the moment, it is still possible that we get a pullback and make a higher low. And of course, if we pull back here on the stocks, then we will also get a pullback in the Bitcoin price. But overall, it looks bullish at the moment, because as we spoke in yesterday's video, DXY lost here the key support in this area. So we came down, and now we are hovering around the EMA 50. So if we break down from here, I expect the DXY to find support here at 100 points price range. So overall, let's go back to the Bitcoin price chart. Of course, we have a lot of resistance in the coming days to push through, and also we are here in a descending triangle. So we will see. I mean, if we come back here to the 40,000 area, of course, this is bullish, but it's too early to say right now. We don't need this anymore. We will discuss in tomorrow's video how we will react here at this price level, and also keep a close eye on the S&P 500 and also on the NASDAQ, because at the moment it's very important. And if we, as I said, if we get a pullback here in the stock market, then prepare also for some downwards move on the Bitcoin price, maybe a bullish divergence on the oscillators, and then we can push up from here. So all eyes on the next weeks on the Fed meeting, and hopefully we can manage to break out from here. And we will discuss in tomorrow's video which will be the next resistance areas on the Bitcoin price chart. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. I hope you have a nice day, and I see you in the next one. Bye-bye.